Hey everybody, it's that time again. Time to watch me create. Today I will be creating an abstract design. Okay, so the design that I'm creating today is inspired by the mask that you see in the upper right hand corner of your screen. As you can see, I've already covered my base, my earring, with some tape in order to start creating the lines. You ask, what is abstract art? Well, that's what we'll go ahead and talk about today. The first thing it consists of is lines. I'm starting with these black lines. By using the tape, I'm able to create nice, precise black lines. Let's go ahead and add on a white line down here. Let's add one up here too. Abstract art consists of forms and shapes that come together with no specific meaning. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers to create this layered effect. Abstract designs consist of beautiful colors that come together and make a piece of art. Abstract art is about creativity, flow, vision, and inspiration.
Shall we begin?
So I let the paint dry. Now I'm going to go back and start adding on some tape. It's going to actually assist with the lines that I'm going to create on this design.
Let's begin, girl.
Now we'll be actually removing the tape once my lines are completely dry. It's important to make sure that it is dry so that the lines will be sharp. They'll be crisp and clean.
Repeat, this is not a drill. Is that all you got?
Let's begin.
Now I'm going to add in some black lines. I really enjoy abstract painting. For me, even though I'm using a source of inspiration, it actually allows me to kind of tap into my creativity when I do abstract painting. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and add these black lines. It's going to clean things up just a little bit.
Oh,
Shall we begin? Let's begin.
Abstract art is a lot about freedom and creativity. Now I'm going in with some green dots. It's going to add in a little bit more of that green into the color scheme. I decided to add some fine lines coming from the dots just to give it a little bit more character. The details are like icing on the cake when it comes to abstract art.